to deposit, click on Bitcoin. When you click on Bitcoin, if you are doing 100 euros, just come here, type 100. When you type in 100 euros, you will see exactly how much you are to put in. What do I mean exactly how much? How much in BTC? Please look at this. It's 0.0300328,320. So you copy this amount here and then take it to find out, or let's see, take it to find out how much is it in the Bitcoin. First of all, let's see how much is this in Bitcoin. Hello, so let's continue here. To know how much is it in Bitcoin, you can come here to find out. Come to brief.com. If you want to always know, you can always come here to find out how much is it in Bitcoin. Now remember, we have 0.00328 the 320 in Bitcoin. Now let's say if you go to Binance, this is the charges. I want to let you know now. In Binance, this is what Binance charge in Bitcoin. The charges is always 0.0005. If you are taking out Bitcoin in Binance, you are going to pay these charges. Now, how much do we have here? You're paying $18, $18.32. If you add this to the former what you got, you have a $120 plus $18. That was how much? It was $138. That's about $140. So I just want you to understand this. How much is $140 in Naira? That is what you should go and find out from Binance. Depending on where you're buying it from. Dollars is about either five. Some are selling it 600, some are selling 580, some are selling 580 something or 570, depending on where you are buying. So if you are to buy 580, for instance, if you are to buy 580, how much is this going to cost you? If it's going to be 580, for instance, you are to buy. I think it's selling that will go this, because what I have, if you want to buy, is around 585 or something like that. Let's say you are to buy that amount, $140. How much are we getting there? It's $81, $81,900. So you can, if you are giving somebody's money to buy this, not the fluctuation, please, this is what you are paying. You're paying 82,000 naira, or better still, you put in the money yourself. Do you understand?